After 2 years of creating content, I have learned a thing or two about how powerful the voice and judgment of the audience is. Whenever we produce a video, it's like holding a mirror to ourselves, and it makes me realize why they say that media is democracy's fourth pillar. Its primary role is to speak truth to power. And seeing these tweets on X got me thinking, do election campaigns have to be entertaining? Is keeping up with the Karyakartas a show we need? But then I realized something. The role of media has changed. They no longer speak truth to power, they now manufacture the truth. Now, you think that's an offensive statement? Let me present a few facts around this. 103 crores was spent just between December to March on political ads according to one Meta and Google estimate. From 2019 to 2023, BJP alone spent 33 crores, which is 10% of all the money that advertisers spend to run Facebook ads in India. If you look at the chart, you'll notice that the other parties aren't too far behind. And if ad spends are not shocking enough, the ongoing general elections are dubbed as the influencer election.
Stability of the fact that beyond traditional means, whatever is available that could aid your campaign or your communication or your engagement with masses should be and could be used. And that's why so much of talk about social media, technology, telephone, which otherwise would not be used as extensively as being used.
But are politicians running these ads? Are politicians deciding which influencer to partner with or which podcast to appear on?
Why are you doing this podcast today?
I have no idea.
अभी तो क्या तृतीय पंथी की भी शादी हो रही है लड़कियों की भी आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी उससे जी समाज की व्यवस्था खत्म हो जाएगी जी.
With data sourced from Google Ads Transparency Center, it turns out that it's political consultancies that are among the top 2 spenders. So I started digging into political consultancies in India, and did you know it is an industry worth 2,500 crores. This got me intrigued. What does a political consultancy even do? Why is their work not discussed publicly? And can political consultants swing elections? How do they even have so much sway? And should we as citizens be concerned about its impact on a democracy? In today's video, we will answer all these questions and unpack the business of political consultancies in India and how they've cracked the art and science of election campaigns. Before we get into the analysis, you should know that we are not making this video to promote any party or politician's work. We're also not in the business of predicting who wins the elections. So if you are here for any of that, you will be disappointed. Now, what does a political consultancy do?
A horrifying crowd crush at a political rally in India. Dozens are dead, many more hurt, and people are demanding answers. Thousands turned out to see Vijay. He's an Indian movie star turned politician.
They monetize political chaos. Let's look at how they do it by understanding it from a business perspective. Now, do you remember this ad? Or this one?
मैं अब भी कह रही हूँ, सब कुछ ट्राई करो, फिर सही चुनो.
These jingles are consistently used by brands. And the thing to note here is that consistently using these jingles helps the brand create a brand association and recall between an emotion and the advertised product.
पानी तो कल से नहीं आया.
बिजली पानी आएगी घर घर इस बार, इसलिए अब की बार मोदी सरकार.
Here's another example of this.
अब की बार मोदी सरकार.
You recall this guy from Trivago?
Trivago just compares. The choice is up to you.
So the more consistently a brand creates an association between the product and an emotion the consumer feels, the more consumers trust the brand. And this got me thinking. Businesses are selling products through their branding. But what does politics sell through branding? Well, politics sell trust through branding. See, a business earns money by selling a product, and politics earns power by selling trust in exchange for votes.